Poland's natural marvels. Poland is quietly spectacular. Landscapes shift without asking. Nature builds fortresses stronger than humans. This is Poland beyond cities. No Dead Sea here, but Baltic salt air feels close and heavy. Rivers shift their own roads. Piasnica meets the sea on its own terms. Kayaks glide where maps lose control. Amber is frozen sunlight. 40 million years stored in a stone. 40 million years in a stone's memory. Sometimes holding insects, sometimes holding secrets. Masuria is a water kingdom. Hundreds of lakes connected like veins. Canals carry birds and sails. Ice Age sculpted this district. The crooked forest bends logic. 100 pines curved without confession. Nobody agrees why, nature or human hand. The answer is still silent. Orłowo cliff is a slow collapse. 650 meters of land losing an argument to waves. Erosion writes new lines each year. Storms edit the coast. Białowieża breathes old Europe's last primeval forest cycle. Bison walks its own timeline. UNESCO protects what axes cannot. Mine lakes glow chemical rainbows. Iron and sulfur paint waters in turquoise, orange, red. Submerged trees stand as monuments without plaques, a reaction between earth and water. Moktesh Ramon is not Poland, but Poland has its own crater-like silence. Moktesh Ramon inspired comparisons, but Poland's geology speaks differently. Tatra slopes turn red in autumn. Sikucina plant paints mountains. Purple crocuses carpet valleys in spring. Chowawska Valley blooms without marketing. Table mountains grow mushroom rocks, hard caps, soft bases, eroded into fungi shapes, geology that plays. Wielka Cyklawa roars, Poland's highest waterfall. 5 lakes. Valley reflects granite and cloud. Morskie Oko watches quietly. Seals don't live on land, but 50,000 live in the Baltic, diving deep, breathing long, up to 20 minutes underwater. Koło Borza is rock debris from freeze-thaw. Forests grow between stones. Vegetation doesn't ask for comfort here. Harsh conditions. Soft beauty. Blue springs reflect sky from underground. Pause. Mini geyser effects. Water shimmer. Beat. Turquoise light bounces like cinema. Breathe. Protected as a nature reserve. Slow now. The Sopot River cascades without drama. Moss layers thicker than trends. Old paper mill ruins stand near the rapids. Industry fades. Nature remains. Bieszczady ridges are grassy altars. Pause. Shaped by old grazing. Beat. Now home to rare plants and survival stories. Breathe. Hikers walk them like sentences. Stone City, in Chenchkovitz looks like ruins, but it was built by wind, not humans. Legends live next to geology here. CO2 vents bubble in Mofita, a tectonic whisper from ancient volcanoes. Sokolika pine grows on a cliff, twisted but alive, overlooking the Dunajec Gorge, a tree that won't quit. Poland's history runs deep. You feel it in the stone, in the churches, in the old walls that have watched generations pass. Here, history doesn't overwhelm. It stands quietly beside the present, a reminder of resilience, of continuity, of survival without spectacle. In rural Poland, life still follows rhythm. Morning, work, rest. Fields are worked by hand and memory. Traditions passed quietly, not advertised. There is dignity here, and peace. This land wasn't loud, but it was long in meaning. If you like calm travel stories, subscribe. Global Explorer, explore farther.